Hi there, my name is Nicola. Welcome to my channel. Also, welcome to the 5th episode of my HTML and CSS YouTube course. This is the first time that I filmed this course here on my channel. I'm teaching how to code modern and responsive websites with only HTML and CSS from zero. Let me show you what we've done so far. Here we have the About Us section, the Partner section, the Hero section with buttons, and the Header section with nice hover animation. And today we are going to build this Company Services section with 6 cards, with some borders, font awesome icons, and some text instead of services description. Also, we added nice box shadow animation on hover. If you want to know how to code website like this with modern technologies like Flexbox and CSS Grid, this course is right for you. Only you need to do is to warm up your fingers, sit tight in your chair, start the brackets, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to smash the bell. Additional informations you can find in the description. Also, the links from previous episodes will be there. If you have any questions, write down in the comments. Let's go. Okay, guys. Here I'm using brackets with live server, and this is our work so far. Just like you already saw. Beneath this About Us section in main, let's add another section with class of services and with the same ID. Then let's add the container to center our content. Then let's add the division with class of services title. And here let me type this paragraph and H2 here, but before that I'm going to no, not here, sorry, there. But before it, I will add the font awesome icons, type I, then class of FSA, then FA mountain. And add another icon, FA-3x for size of this icon, and also type the another class with name of custom icon. Okay. Then we are going to add in this services section, of course, we are going to add the one big div with class of set-1. And here, let's add one division with class of service1. And here we are going to add another icon. Let's copy this one. And we need to rename it. This is the FA user cog with the same size. This class is okay, but we will delete this class. Okay, and beneath let's add the header 3 with text creative idea, and then let's add the paragraph here also. This is our first services. Then let's copy in this service, this division with class of service1. We have 6 services. Then let's paste it 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here this is, and those are our sections. Then let's change our icons. For second icon, we need class of FA pencil ruler, then FA hand scissors, then FA globe, for the third one. No, yep, this is the fourth one actually. And then next we need FA search, and for the last one we need FA copyright. Okay, here let's change the title, branding, then here will be the SEO, this is the fifth. In the fourth, let's put the web solutions. Then third, let's put here easy customize, then minimal design is the second, and the first one is creative idea. Okay, this is all for our HTML markup. Then now let's do some CSS magic to make our services section. Okay, let's switch it in styles.css. And then let's find the About Us section comment and add it here. Rename it to be services section. Let's make some room here. And let's target the services division. And here choose color to be pure white and set padding 80 pixels for top and bottom and 0 for the left and right. Next will be services title with text align of center and margin bottom 50 pixels. This code is for our section here. Let me show you. For this first division with class of service title, this is the icon, the paragraph, and heading company services. Okay. Then let's set the custom icon hover state. Here, type custom icon hover, hover, and delete this square bracket. Okay, icon, let's choose our color to be 189 for DE and set the transition to be 0.3 seconds. Now we have nice hover animation. Okay, and now let's target also the services, but services this time division of class services. This is our division services, and we need to target this division, which contains those cards here. So we need this class here, set1. Actually, it is set/1. Okay, and we are going to use display as a grid and grid template columns. And let's use the repeat property. Repeat 3 times 1 fraction. Those are our cards now. Now let's set some gap between. Okay, and align text in center. Then we need to add some border. Type class set1. This is our division, and this will target all divs inside this div with class of set1. You need to add the border for all of them. 1 pixel solid with color of 3 Fs. And border radius will be 25 pixels for corners. Okay, then let's add some padding for our cards. Service 1 padding will be 25 pixels top and bottom and 15 pixels left and right. Okay, then we need to add our hover, this shadow effect on hover. Let me copy. This is our box shadow properties. More about that you can read on, I think, W3 School, and also you can Google it, the CSS shadow creator or something like that, and you will find. So let me actually, let me show you. CSS shadow generator actually, and here, advanced, I don't know why, but proceed. And here you can create your CSS by using those properties and just copy this code. Okay, let's back to our project, and don't forget to set the transition for hover. Okay, and now let's change the h3 in our cards with class of service 1h3 and set the margin 15 pixels, 0 and 40 pixels. Here we have margin top 15 pixels, 0 for left and right, and 40 pixels for the bottom. Then let's use the same color just like here. Then type font weight of 600 and use text transform to be uppercase. Then set letter spacing 1.5 pixels and set position to be relative. Okay, because we need to add the after pseudo selector just like before. So let's do that. Here, instead of before, type after. Set the content to be empty. Width of 20%. Height 2 pixels. Here we need to add this line here. See, height will be 2 pixels. Then background color will be pure white. Position must be absolute. From the left, it will be 50 pixels. And top, and here for top we need 35 pixels. Okay, and set transform translate property to be minus 50% 2 times. Sorry, this right here, this just like this. Okay, this is our markup before media queries. Now we need to do some responsiveness for our project. Okay, now I will change the width of those windows. And first, let's add media query for this 1024 pixels. Okay, let's choose. Okay, here. Sorry, I need a little more space. And why I forgot to add my container actually. Let me see. Oh, I didn't wrap all the content in container, just this section here. Let me move this division here to, I think, yeah, there. Now it is better. our content is centered, just like the previous one. Okay, now let's reduce the width of emmet, go to styles, switch between, and now we need the 1024 pixels in width. See our headings and our icons without these properties. See this kind of this size, and let me enable it. I think that this is much better. Okay, and then let's add the media query for tablet. See, those cards are a little bit squashed, but let me paste. And here we have this this width for iPad, and we target these services, this whole section, and the set1 division class, and we display it as grid and change the grid template columns. Instead of 3, just like here, this 3, 1, 2, 3, one fraction, we set 2, and we got this layout. Okay, but this is actually the extra line, we don't need it, just this one. Also, I changed the service title to 2.7 EM and service 1 icon 2.2. Yeah. Okay, this is all for iPad size. And also we have the media query for mobiles. Let's go to smaller than 500. And here we need one card, we need the other. Let me copy. Also, we target the same division, just like here. And here we have one card in one column, one FR here, and we added more gap than in original. Here is the 20 pixels, and for mobiles, we have 35 pixels, and also changed the service title H2 for 2 EMs. Okay. This is all for today. So now let me show you what we have so far. See our responsiveness just here. From large screens, let's go down to the iPad size. You see? And smaller. Here and there. Okay. Go up. Our other section. And this is all for today. Okay, guys. Then now let me show you what we are going to do next time. Let's see the whole project. And we are going to build this video section with some text here and this button and one video. Okay. This is some kind of error, but I will fix it, believe me. Okay, if you want to know more about this whole course and to watch the future episodes, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to smash the bell, and if you have any questions, write down in the comments. Also, in description you can find the additional informations about the whole course. Thank you for watching me, have a great time, and see you in another episode. Bye bye.